In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to Classic View in QuickBooks Online Reports. Many users find the Classic View familiar and comfortable, and if you prefer it as well, this guide will help you navigate through the simple steps to switch back to it. Now, let's get started. First, when you're in your QuickBooks Online account, take a look at the left-hand panel. This is where you'll see a menu of options that help you navigate through the different features of QuickBooks. What you're looking for here is the Reports section. Clicking on Reports will take you to the area where you can access all of your financial reports. Next, consider which report you're interested in viewing. Perhaps it's the profit and loss statement, the balance sheet, or any other report you frequently use. Click on the report you need to open it. This is an important step, as you need to open a specific report to see the option for switching views. Once you've opened the report, take a look at the top of the page. At the top, you'll notice a hyperlink. This will say something like Switch to Classic View. This is the key to transforming how your report is displayed. QuickBooks provides this option to give you a familiar interface that you might find easier to work with, especially if you're accustomed to the traditional layout. Simply click on that hyperlink, and there you go. Your report will switch to the Classic View, and you can now proceed with reviewing and analyzing your data in the format you prefer. The simplicity and ease with which you can switch views is one of the convenient features of QuickBooks, allowing customization based on user preference. It's really that straightforward. You're now ready to explore your reports just the way you like them. Remember, getting comfortable with different views in QuickBooks can enhance your efficiency in managing financial data. Plus, it's always handy to know how to toggle between the different views, should you need a different layout in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this walkthrough helpful in making your QuickBooks experience as smooth and as tailored to your needs as possible. Feel free to explore more and experiment with other features to optimize your use of QuickBooks Online. Have a great day managing your accounts.